Well, hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the beginner's guide, aka tips and tricks, basic tips and tricks of iOS 15. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video, shall we? Let's start with the basic of lock screen. Well, after updating your iPhone to iOS 15, when you will open your iPhone, as you can see, if you have do not disturb on, you will see a small circle below the date, and you can actually do some actions with it. You can click on it and go into settings, and you can just long press on the control center do not disturb, and it will basically take you, and it is a shortcut to get into do not disturb. And do not disturb on iOS 15 is just amazing. Then in order to look for notifications, just pull up and you will see upcoming, as you can see here, and all those grouped notifications. And notifications in iOS 15 are so much better than iOS 14. Opening the phone home screen, let's start with the home screen now. Well, coming from iOS 14, you won't really notice any major changes in the home screen, but the things that is new in the home screen is if you long press and click on the plus icon, we have some new widgets which are really neat in my opinion. The first new widget is App Store widget. What you can do is just click on the widget and you can select on sizes. You have three sizes: medium, small, medium and large. You can select from them, and then we have Find My. This is basically a shortcut to get into Find My app, and it do not really show a lot of info, but it is a dope, yeah, all in all it is a dope widget. Then we have Mails widget too, which is really useful. And then we have the sleep widget. You can click here and you can see the data and schedule, all those sleep schedule things, right? You know about it. The widgets are new, but it is basically the same and added with some like toppings and some spice. You know what I'm talking about? Well, home screen did not got a major revamp, so in home screen we don't really have a lot of things to talk about. So now let's go into Safari, where we have a lot of things to talk about. Opening the Safari app, the first thing that you will notice is that the search tab is no longer above, it is below. And to be honest, this feels more natural on especially devices with 6.1 inches, 6.5 and bigger displays. And Safari feels really refreshed after this update. It just got a major revamp, to be honest. It's one of the best things introduced in iOS 15. Now talking about the tabs view, you can click on the tab and you can see here is a new view, and this looks really neat. And in order to go in private tab, you can click on the plus icon. Then here we have the private thing. You can click it there, and then you have your Ignito/private tab open. Then if you want to go in the normal view, just click on plus icon and bam, you are back. And Safari in general have received a lot of good updates, and you will use it, you will feel refreshed, and Safari just feels amazing now. Next thing is live text. What this feature is, open camera and then now wait for the magic. You will see an icon as soon as you will bring up the thing you want to copy the text of. You will see this, and then bam, you can just copy it that easily. So this is a really neat feature that I really love in the iOS 15, and you should love too, because it's a basic, right? iOS 15 also brings in ability to talk to your friends who are using Android or joined via Windows, your laptop. It is really neat thing. And how to do it, just open FaceTime, and after opening FaceTime you will see create link button, and then what you have to do is just click on it and wait for a while, and then you will see a share sheet popped up, and then you can copy the link. And after copying the link, you can just click on copy and then paste it anywhere in the Chrome browser, Safari or wherever you want to, and simply you are finally logged into FaceTime and can talk to your friends that easily. And if you want to remove the FaceTime link, simply just slide your finger from the right hand side to the left hand side, and you will see a green button. That's it. Now another thing is related to FaceTime too, right? It is video effects and mic mode. What these are, the mic modes are basically your standard view isolation and wide spectrum. You got the point, right? It is just self-explanatory, right? You can just click on the wide spectrum and it will just get the audio from everywhere, and basically a transparency type of mode. And then voice isolation, As the name suggests, it will isolate your voice and just focus on your voice, same as the iMac, Then in video modes, these are just exclusive for those devices with Face ID scanner. With portrait mode, what you can do is it uses the true depth sensor to judge the distance and all, and it applies a bokeh in the background, and that looks pretty sick. Another feature is eye contact feature. Well, this is basically a feature that existed a year ago or two, right? It was introduced in iOS 14, but on iOS 15 too you can use it. And why I'm mentioning it, because FaceTime is really focused in this firmware, so you can turn this feature on too. Well, another thing is this will help your time, and it will basically help you signing in and all. You just click on the sign in profile or wherever you want to sign in, then click on the place like email. After clicking on there, above your keyboard you will see this email from camera. You can click there, and if you have a card where there is an email a business card or something, you can just scan that and it will automatically appear there, and it will save a lot of time. So yeah, that is it for this video. I thought to make a little bit of a different video for you guys, as I have never done this type of videos before. So if you did enjoy it, consider dropping a like, and if you did enjoy it, let me know down in comments below. I will do more videos like these. I did enjoy making this one, right? And if you did watch till the end, consider hitting the subscribe button, because I really want to reach 10k by the end of this year. Have a great day, and bye bye.